In knowledge representation in artificial intelligence, categories and objects are fundamental concepts used to organize and represent knowledge about the world. Categories are groupings of objects that share common attributes, properties, or characteristics. They serve as conceptual frameworks for organizing and understanding the world around us. Categories can range from simple concepts like animals or colors to more complex ones like types of transportation or genres of music. In AI, categories are often represented hierarchically, with broader categories containing more specific subcategories. Objects are individual entities or instances that belong to one or more categories. They represent tangible or abstract things in the world that have distinct identities, properties, and relationships. Objects can be anything from physical objects like cars or books to abstract concepts like happiness or justice. In AI, objects are typically represented using attributes or features that describe their properties and relationships with other objects or categories. For example, category animals, objects dog, cat, elephant, lion. Category colors, objects red, blue, green, yellow. In AI, representing categories and objects allows systems to organize, store, and manipulate knowledge in a structured and meaningful way, enabling tasks such as reasoning, decision-making, and problem-solving.